Hey everybody, day 16 of the ABC challenge. Back down here, getting ourselves settled in. Been a very full day, getting a chance to simply enjoy, decompress. We're going to sit here for the challenge today for a couple of good minutes, getting ourselves ready. Simply went after our body, quite frankly, over the last couple of days. Let's take the time to really decompress for the ABC. Day 16, going to give a more bird's eye view today. Hard to believe we're already through the halfway point of August, but that's the beautiful thing about time. It keeps going no matter what. So let's stay on the journey of path and time. Anti-bitch challenge reminder, doing a challenge every single day, committing to it. 20 minutes of Latin for me, acting non-verba. The second component is writing a yoga flow, uploading it, getting the practice in, and sharing it. I want to say thanks to the first person that gave me some concrete feedback about the flow in the sense that it's more intermediate. They suggested that I get a microphone, which I'm wearing, on top of the orange. You see the set, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be fresh. It's a beautiful thing to be able to practice flow and simply open up for more space. Let's get ourselves into lotus pose or Padmasana. To begin, we don't want to force our legs down too hard. Simply allowing ourselves to relax. Soles of the feet face upward, and we're strengthening our spine and lengthening our back. This is too much for you. Half lotus is okay. Easy pose is okay. We're going to get ourselves in a lotus pose and allow our body to simply, our half lotus pose, simply allow our body to relax and settle in. This is on a Saturday. I'm going to take the time to reflect on time today. The importance of giving yourself space and time to be as a strong witness. Relax your shoulders down. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. We'll be here 5 more times. One more big breath in. Exhale it out. Release the feet gently down towards the mat. Bringing our feet together for a gentle bound angle pose to begin our practice today. Bound angle pose, sit bones are heavy, grounded into the mat, chest is proud. We bring our thighs up to our elbows, working them gently up, gently down, beginning to get some blood flowing in this direction. Inhale the legs up, the thighs touching, exhale them down. If you want more on the exhale down, you can push with your elbows, but again, not doing too much as we are beginning to cool our body up, cool our body down after a full day, cool your body down after a workout. Rubbing the hands together, create some heat. Let's meet into tabletop, neutral spine. Wrists are shoulder width distance apart. Knees are hip width distance apart. We will take a few rounds of cat and cow. Cow pose, we are inhaling with our relaxed abdomen and engaged abdomen. Inhaling in, looking up, getting the turtle head out of the shell, relaxing the shoulders. Exhaling for cow pose, having that strong foundation from the toe tops to the wrists to the hands. Inhaling, looking up, relaxing the shoulders down. Exhaling the middle part of our thoracic spine. Take a few more rounds such as that. This is cow pose. Cat pose. Coming around to another seat. Going to Janusarasana, head to knee forward pole fold. Here, we're going to draw our belly to our lower thigh. But before we do that, we are straightening our legs, bringing our left ankle to our inner right thigh, straightening the right leg. And we are inhaling and exhaling, gently releasing over our bent leg. We will be here for 10 breaths. Tonight's flow, this flow, is going to be about simply finding space. More of a yin-like quality. Work to keep the elbows down, working towards the ankles if this is accessible to you. And we'll be here for 3 more intentional breaths. One more inhale in. Exhale, slowly roll your body up. Back to neutral, feeling the difference between each side. Bringing our right ankle to meet our left foot, soles of the feet together. Feeling if there's any difference from the original bound ankle pose that we did at the beginning. Inhaling the chest proud. Inhaling in. And extending our left leg straight on the exhale. Reversing the position of our feet. Lengthening the spine. We want to keep our pelvis straight. Flexing our foot. And drawing our belly to our inner thigh. 10 breaths here. You might find that you have a tighter side. That is okay. Drawing the belly in, working your pelvis forward. It is funny that the day that I wear the microphone is the day that I choose to not speak as much. But in some of these postures and poses, it's about listening to your body. What's your body communicating to you? And if you're talking aloud at the same time, it can be a little bit harder to fine tune and listen. Getting the signal sharp. 3 more breaths in and out. 2 more rounds of breath. Inhaling in, exhaling slowly, releasing the body up. Bringing the torso strong and proud. Soles of the feet together for bound ankle pose again. You're welcome to bring them up or simply have them here. Feeling the difference between the 3 different versions that we've done. Inhaling in, gently folding over and taking care of your body. Next, we're meeting back into tabletop. Few poses this evening. Inhaling in, allowing our body to be neutral. Exhaling with strong planted fingers and strong heels towards the ground for downward facing dog. Head is heavy. Walk the dog. One more inhale in. Exhale, release the knees down towards the mat. We are now moving into upward facing dog, cobra pose, Bhujangasana, excuse me. So in cobra pose, we're going to do some press ups, strengthening our spine. I know I quite went after mine this week. So we will inhale and lift up, press the thighs into the ground and bending the arms slightly, open the chest up and forwards, drawing the shoulders down. We will do that 5 more times. This will build some heat in your body, so be careful to be gentle as you press your thighs into the ground. On an inhale, strengthening the spine, exhaling and releasing. Inhaling up again, drawing the shoulders down, bending the arms slightly for a good cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Inhaling up. This might be your cobra pose, that's okay. Or you might be able to get more into the pose. The key is to synchronize the breath with the movement every time. Inhaling in. And on this next exhale, we are releasing completely down. We are going to be here for a minute in crocodile pose, allowing our spine to reset. Relaxing the shoulders down, the tongue off the roof of the mouth. One more inhale in. We're going to flip over like a pancake for Shavasana, corpse pose. As we wind our practice down. Before we do that, we're going to inhale our knees into our chest. for 2 more breaths, inhaling in. On this last exhale, straighten out your legs and your arms, stretching overhead as we allow our bodies to get into corpse pose shavasana, taking in everything. For this cooling down practice. No responsibilities except simply to be. Begin to bring yourself back into the body. Gentle movements of the fingers and the toes. Roll over to your side. Taking one last moment to thank yourself for practicing. Keeping your eyes closed, push up. Hands are finding prayer towards your heart center, up to the third eye. Thank you for taking the time to practice and finding that sense of space and joy and wonder today. Narrating these flows and these poses is a simple chance for me to practice and to develop ways of getting closer, to be a better teacher, a better person, a better student. So anyone that takes the time to watch this is truly greatly appreciated. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Have any questions, comments, please let me know. In the meantime, let's take some more time to sit with ourselves in the stillness that is always present to us when we choose to engage with intention. Thank you for practicing. Namaste.